Dear children, now you are in your home in lockdown position. You cannot to move outside, but you want to play. If you want to play, then you play with the numbers like 1 to 100. In this video lectures, you will see in innovative way how we can learn the new numbers from 1 to 100, numbers 1 to 100. In this concept, there are number 1 to 100. We are giving some color coding to some numbers. But before the start this playing with numbers, we learned one story. You listen one story. In the screen, you will see there are 4 children. Master 1. He is a unique person. He is a adamant also. He thought that he is only one. He is a special property. Eko ham dutyo nasti na bhuto na bhavasati. Means he thought that he is neither prime nor composite. He is in this property. There is another number 2. See on the screen. He is very good physics, having 2 worms. He thought that he is very powerful. So he want to tell that I am a very good quality, very good specialty. Now the another boy, Mr. 3. He is a good quality. He is a good sportsman also. He is intelligent also. And in the figure, he is beating the number Mr. 4, Master 4. Master 4 is a character like, have you seen one film, Tare Zameen Par? There is one character, Ishan. And like the 4, he thought that he is not able to study hard. And all the 4 students are quarrel with each other in the class when the teacher was not there. The same time, teacher immediately come in the class and they ask, why? What happened? Then they told, sir, we are the numbers, our name in the form of numbers, and we are special numbers. Like one is telling, I am a special number. 2 is also telling, I am a special number. She is also telling, I am a special number. But 4 is keep quiet. He told that I have no specialty. 1 is telling I am a very special because I have a very good quality, like I am not a prime number, I am not a composite, I am a special. 2 is telling I am a prime which having only even prime. So this is my quality, specialty. 3 is telling I am also special because I have a smallest odd prime. But 4 is telling, sir, I don't know what is my specialty. At that time, the teacher told, because you have no specialty, this is your specialty, so you are also a special number. And meanwhile, teacher explained about the number. He told that 4 is also a scale of 2. 4 is also number is so many qualities. And he explained effectively in the class. And meanwhile, the next day, the child come to class, the 4, with one beautiful sketch that is so in front of his screen. And he wrote it that every number is special number and every child is a special child. So what we can say that number is a special number and every child is a
special child.
Yes, it is correct. Now come to the point. Before we start the lesson, now we do one thing. We learn some definitions like natural numbers. As you know that in class 6, 7 and 8 also, the number which start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these numbers are called the natural numbers. Prime numbers. The numbers which have only two factors, 1 and itself number, are called the prime numbers. The next one is composite numbers. The numbers which have at least 3 or more than 2 factors are called the composite numbers. What about even numbers? The numbers which are completely divisible by 2 are called the even numbers. What are the odd numbers? The numbers which are not completely divided by 2 are called the odd numbers. Factors. The numbers which completely divide any number are called the factors of that particular numbers. Prime factors. The prime numbers which completely divide any numbers are called the prime factors of that particular numbers. Note, 1 is neither prime nor composite number and is a factor of every number. LCM. LCM is least common multiple. SCF. SCF means highest common factors. Now what we did here, we make color code to the different numbers as you see in the picture. Like 1 we given black, 2 we given yellow, 3 is green, 5 blue, 7 dark blue, 11 like orange, and so on. There are, have you seen in the picture, there are so many color I have given in the color. Actually, in this particular 1 to 100 numbers, I am giving the color code of each number because mathematics is abstract subject and I want to make it colorful. That's why I make my efforts to make the each numbers to be colorful. So you see in the figure that 1 is covered by one circular ring with blue black. 2 is also covered by yellow ring, but one thin black ring circle is inside. 3 is covered by green, and 4 is also by yellow, but split ring in 2 equal part yellow. So there is connection between 2 and 4. Later on we will discuss. 5 is also blue. Now we see the 6. 6 have 2 part, yellow and green. So it is connected with 2 and 3. 7 is dark blue. If we see 8, 8 is 3 part and yellow color is come from 2. And like 9, 10 and so on. So it is going on here. Like 21 to 40, the next slide is here. And 41 to 60. So we can see each and every number like 48. 48, there are 5 part in the ring. 4 is yellow and 1 is green. So they are associated with 4, yellow associated with the 2 and green associated with 3. Later on I will discuss you. Now we will see in the slide there are color numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7. They are completely full ring. What about 1? 1 is represented by a black ring and it is also a multiplication identity. What does mean by multiplication identity? If we multiply any number by 1, the number remains same, means 2 multiplied by 1, so 2, 3 multiplied by 1, so 3. What about 2? 2 is the smallest and only even prime number, represented by full yellow ring. 3 is the smallest odd prime number, represented by full green ring. What about 5? 5 is a prime number, represented by full blue ring. And 7 is a prime number, represented by full dark blue ring. Similarly, we see some numbers the ring are split here like 12, 6, 15, 10 and 14. What about 12? See, 12 is a composite number. Now what we did it here, 12 is a ring is here. So I have given 1 for this black ring, as you can see on the board. There are 2 yellow parts and color code of yellow is 2. So there are 2 times 2, so 2 into 2. And green having 3 colors. So the 12 I can write 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Come to the another number 6. 6 is also composite number because we see on the ring there are split rings. So that is a composite number. So remember one thing. When ring is not a split full ring, so there is one factor, 1 and number itself except 1. But if the ring is split, that means it is a composite number. Now come to the 6. We see it here. 1 for black color, 2 for yellow color and 3 for green color. So 6 I can write 1 into 2 into 3. It's 6. And similarly 6 is another property that 6 is 1 plus 2 plus 3. So 6 is also a perfect number because the sum of factors is also 6. Similarly 15, black for 1, green for 3 and 5 for blue. So 15 is 1 into 3 into 5. Similarly 10 and similarly 14. It is going on. So remaining numbers 16 to 80 are in your screen also there. And see, there are always factor either prime is there. And similarly 81 to 100. These are numbers are here. Now, we observe these numbers carefully. What we observe in these all numbers, that the different numbers from 1 to 100 are encircled by 1 or more colors, which exhibits the prime factors. Means if single color means 1 prime factor, if split there are 2, 3 or more factors are there. Some numbers are encircled by fully by 1 color represent prime number except 1, and some are by more colors represent composite numbers. A thin black circle can be seen inside the ring representing a number 1, which is the factor of any numbers. Each numbers, I can say it. A broken ring comprising any numbers of color representing a prime factors or factors, and the product of these factors is equal to that particular numbers that we already seen in the previous slide. Suppose see it here 42 and 45. If we go to the 42, what we observe, 42 is made from 1 multiplied by 2 multiply by 3 and multiply by 7, because 1 is a black color, 2 is a yellow, 3 is a green and 7 is a blue color. Similarly, for 45, 1 is black, 3 is green, again 3 2 times green and 5 is blue color. So 45 made from 1 into 3 into 3 into 5. So we can represent any numbers by this interactive way. Now observe again these numbers, so many patterns are here. We also learn these numbers, the LCM and HCF of these numbers, as you can see it here. 42, I write 42 for 1 is equal to 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. And 45, I can write 1 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. And the color is there. So what is the LCM? 1 is common, so we need not to write 1. 2 is come bunch time, either in both, so 2. 3 in 42 1 time, in 45 2 times, so we write maximum number, greatest number 2 times. 5 is 1 time, 7 1 time. So multiplication of these numbers is the LCM of 42 and 45. Similarly, in 42 and 45, we can see only one 3 is common in both numbers. So SCF of 42 and 45 is 3. If we take 3 number, another number is 12. And 12 is, I can write 1 into multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 3. And if we take 3 number, 42, 45 and 12. So what is the LCM? 2 are coming maximum 2 times. So 2 into 2. 3 are maximum coming 2 times. So 3 into 3, 2 times. 5 is coming 1 time, 7 is coming 1 time. So multiplication of all these numbers of LCM of 42, 45 and 12. Similarly, the SCF of numbers 42, 45 and 12 is only, obviously see it here, 3 is only common. So SCF is 3. So this is also, we can learn LCM of SCF of these numbers. Now, we also learn about the co-prime numbers. What is the co-prime numbers? The co-prime numbers is a set of numbers which have only one as their common factors. That means SCF will be 1. We can say co-prime numbers are also known as relatively prime, means mutually prime numbers. We see the examples here. We already had the example 42 and another is 55. 42 is made from 1, 2 for yellow, 3 for green and 7 for violet or indigo color. And 55 we see it 1 for black, 5 for blue and 11 for orange. Now we see it here. Neither 2, neither 3, neither 7, neither 5 or 11 is common. Only 1 is common. So SCF 1. So we can say that 42 and 55 are co-prime numbers or relatively prime numbers. Now this is the very important thing. As you see the numbers 1 to 100, all the number 1 to 100 is covered by full ring. The ring may be split or in one or full ring. One color ring, full ring or split color ring. They may be same color, they may be different color and different part also. But we observe these all numbers, so we get so many properties in this number. Except one is only black circle, so leave the 1 and black circle, we noted it. But each even number means 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10, there is one part. Yellow color is common. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. A yellow color is common. And the number yellow is not common, that is odd numbers. So without yellow color number like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, they are not containing yellow colors. They are the odd numbers. And the composite numbers, the numbers which are not having full same color ring, means they are split color ring, they are composite number. Like 6, like 8, like 28, like 38, like 48. These are all the composite numbers. And we observe that one is the common ring in all color inside the each ring. Means one is the SCF of all these numbers. And we also see the number 2, 4, 8. Actually 2 and 4, there is relation. 4 is the square of 2. So 4 is the square number. The square root of 4 is 2. 8 is cube of 2. So cube number of 8 is cube number and cube root of 8 is 2. Similarly for 9, 9 we can say it is a square of 3. And 27, cube number of 3. So we can learn so many things from here. The value of color which is represented in the perfect cube number is a cube root of that number. Now there are so many properties also in this table chart. First, 6 we see a star here and 28 is also a star. So 6 is a perfect number and 28 is also perfect number because 6 made from 1 plus 2 plus 3 and 1 into 2 into 3. So 1 into 2 into 3 is also 6 and 1 plus 2 plus 3 is also 6. Similarly, 28 is made from, their all divisors are 1, 2, 4, 7 and 14. If we sum all these, this gives 28. And this is also the multiplication of the factor. What is the factor? 1, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. So this is also 28. So this is the perfect number. Similarly, we can also observe the co-prime numbers in this circles. Like we take 42 and 55. We see it here. 42 and 55. There is nothing, no common color between 42 and 55. Only one ring, a small black ring is common. So SCF is 1. So they are co-prime. So we can see in this table, there are so many properties we can find in this circular ring form. We cover all the numbers. And that is very interesting also. In the next, we also see, as already discussed, even number are here. 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. They are all in yellow color. And there are 50 all number are here. Even number represented by yellow color. Either they are full or broken. 2 is only even prime number. Means all the prime number except 2 are odd numbers. Third one. Number from 4, 6, 8 all are composite numbers. There are total 50 even numbers. Already told you. There are only two numbers 6 and 28 which are perfect numbers and both are even numbers. And important thing, as you know that equivalent division lemma, if a number are divided by 2, the remainder may be 0 or 1. If remainder is 0, then we can say that the number is even number. So here the remainder is 0, so these all numbers are even numbers. Similarly, we can go for the odd numbers. You see it here. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19 and so on. So there are 50 odd numbers. They start from 1 and up to 99. And these odd numbers having remainder 0, not 0, remainder 1 if they divided by 2. We see it here in all this odd number. Yellow color is not found here. So all the odd numbers are not having the yellow color. 1 is represented by black ring, which is neither prime nor composite number, as you know it. Except 2, all the prime numbers are covered by full color rings. Means all the odd numbers except 2, all the prime numbers are the odd numbers. There are 50 odd numbers from 1 to 99, and all the numbers, if we divide by 2 by equivalent division lemma, they left remainder 1. Now come to the another side. Now again observe these numbers. 2, 2 to the power 1 is smallest prime. 4 is square of 2. 8 is a cube of 2. 16 is the fourth power of 2. 32 is fifth power of 2, and 64 is the sixth power of 2. And we can see it here that so 4 is the square number of 2, 8 is the cube number of 2, and between 4 and 16 has 4 part and 4 has 2 part. So we can see it 16 is the square of 4 because there are 4 part in 16 and 2 part in 4. Also very important thing, 32 is 2 to the power 5. Number of divisors 6. Very important, very interesting thing is here. Suppose that odd numbers, the power is 1, so number of divisors is 2. If power is 2, so number of divisors is 3. For example, 2 to the power 2. So the fourth divisor is 1, next is 2, another is 4. 2 to the power 3. So the number of divisor is 4. That means 1, 2, 4 and 8. Similarly, 2 to the power 5. The number of divisor is 6. 1 is 2, 1, 4, 8, 16 and 32. There are 6 divisors. If the power is 5, the number of divisors is 6. If the power is 6, number of divisors is 7. Similarly, 3 is a prime number, odd prime number, and also smallest in odd prime triplet. Similarly, 9 is square of 3. 27, cube of 3. So 27 is the cube number. 81 is the square of 9. See, there are 9 in 2 split part and 81 are 4 split part. So 81 is the square of 9. 5, middle of prime triplet. 25 square of 5. 6 is a composite number and smallest perfect number also. And 36 is the square number of 6. 7 is the biggest number of prime triplet. Now there is always one point. What is called prime triplet? See, in the all prime number from 1 to infinity, we can say that there are only 3 numbers. They are continuous, having common difference 2, and that numbers are 3, 5, 7 or prime triplets. Other prime are not in this order of 3. We come to the 10. 10 is the base of our number system, and 100 is a square of 10. We can say a square number of 10. In class 6, there is one method to sieve the sieve of Eratosthenes method to find the prime numbers between 1 to 100. He is a great mathematician. He found how to filter from 1 to 100 number, how to filter the prime numbers. So what he did, he crossed out 1 because 1 is neither prime nor composite. Then after he encircled 2 and crossed out all the multiple of 2 other than 2. Look at here. 1 already crossed out. Now 2 we leave. Next 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 50 and so on, and all will cross out up to 100. So all the multiple of 2 except 2 are crossed out, and 2 we are giving circle form, one color. Now come to another map. Come to 3. Encircle 3 and cross out all the multiple of 3. But here one thing to note, that 3 is there, but cross out all the multiple of 3. Suppose 9, cut it, but 6 already cut it by 2. So where the factor is 2 and 3, so already 2 and 3, 2 by 2 it is cut out, so need not to do by 3. Next, we cut it all the multiple of 3 and carry on this process. In this way, up to last digit 99, we cross out all the multiple of 3. Same way, continue the process of sieve of Aristotle's, the method of finding prime numbers. We go for the 5. We encircle 5 and we cross out all the multiple of 5. Now, leave the 5, cross the other multiple like 25, 35, 55, 65, 85 and 95. Now next, we have to take 7 and encircle 7 and cross out all the multiple of 7 except 7. So 7 is here. Now cross out 49. Next is 77 and so on. So what is remaining? In continuous this process, we cross out the except 3 multiple of 3, 2 multiple of 2, 5 multiple of 5 and keep 7 and multiple of 7 cross out. So the remaining colorful encircle numbers are the prime numbers from 1 to 100. Here one thing interesting to note, that the 2 prime numbers which have the difference of 2 are called 2 prime. For example, 17 and 19 are twin prime numbers. Now we come to what is the properties of prime numbers. Like 2 is smallest prime, only even prime, whose successor is prime. Very important thing. The successor of 2 is 3, which is also prime. 3, 5, 7. Only one prime triplet in the all prime numbers, with the common difference between the numbers is 2. and 5 is only prime whose unit digit is 5. 11, 13, 17, 19, 41, 43, 59 and 61, 71, 73. These are all pairs of prime numbers are called twin prime numbers, and difference between them is 2. Now, these are the other primes from 1 to 100. So, we classify all the prime numbers in these categories. Now, see some properties here. The prime numbers having only 2 factors, 1 and itself, already you know it. The SCF of all prime number is 1 because the color of black ring inside ring is common. So, SCF is 1. The third one is every even prime number can be written in the sum of prime numbers except 2 and 4. Suppose we take 6. 6 is made from 3 plus 3. Suppose we take 8. 8 is made from 3 plus 5. Commonly, when interestingly to note it here in all the prime numbers, that except 2 and 5 means 2 means even numbers. So we leave out all the even numbers, means the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. We leave out the 5. Generally the prime numbers having unit place is either 1 or 3 or 7 and 9 are these. So we can say that there are properties of in this particular chart. One is a special number. Each prime number has a unique color except 1. Each prime number is represented by different coloring. Each even number is represented by yellow color. Each composite number is shown by the product of their prime factors. Each number has 1 as a factor represented by black circle. In LCM, the multiply each factors shown in the particular color. The greatest number of times it occurs in either numbers. Similarly, for SCF of the numbers is a value of common color. If there is no common color, then the SCF is 1. It shows by black inside ring, black circle. The perfect square number contain only the same color in 2 times. Perfect Q numbers contain only same color in 3 times. Square root is the value of color which is represented in the perfect square number. The value of color which is present in the perfect Q numbers is the Q root of that numbers. The numbers which having stars are the perfect numbers 6 and 28. The numbers which does not contain yellow. This is a new idea to present the numbers by these innovative methods. We can learn and teach the basic concept of prime factors, square, cube, square roots, cube root, SCF, LCF, composite numbers, prime numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, and many more properties of the numbers, divisor also. So, actually, this way, I got an idea during the 2018 summer vacation. Why we should not present a number in this interactive way? So first, by the help of my daughter Soumya, we make a chart in this particular way. After that, I given the idea to all the teachers, math department teachers, and we convert into digital form. And after digital form, we make a very good flags. My drawing teacher and computer teacher and math department, they help a lot to make that flags. It is in JPG file. We make printout of this flags and paste on the wall. And it is also effective, very effective for the students. Definitely it will work. because they know all the things in particular number. Number they see in the form of factors and colorful rings. So they will enjoy also. And if anybody want the JPG file of that particular flags, we will send you write to mail to me, pankajjnvjain@gmail.com. And hope stay at home and carry on learning. Do your best.